This is a process called banking, and we don't have to be rich to get into the banking business. We start with what we can start. My first policy was $2,400 a year, and I still have that, and I'll continue to keep that policy. And just from that policy itself, I've achieved so much. Now, I don't put $2,400 anymore. The system has grown, but we all get started where we get started. Starting is important. And that policy that's going to be designed for you. It's going to do wonders. And as time progresses, you're going to expand your program. 99% of our clients add more policy before the end of the first year of the start of the policy.
Yeah.
Why? Because they find money. Now, the answer to this question is actually on the page 65 of Nelson's book. And Nelson says, the most important word that comes to my mind is desire. Without it, you probably can't do it. Remember, everyone is already spending all financial resources on what they think is best. There has got to be honest introspection at some point, and a commitment to get out of financial prison must be a burning passion. This is going to require change in priorities in life and recognizing that controlling the banking function personally is the most important thing that can be done in your financial world. Isn't it true that all your money is flowing to the books of someone else's bank and you're okay with it? Prioritize it, flow it through your system. And like Jason mentioned, you're not going to do it alone. We're going to show you how to do it because we have done it.